Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is Paper Pumpkin Week, and this is the February 2025 kit called Hello Spring. So I was going out to do errands this morning, and on my doorstep is my Paper Pumpkin kit. So I am beyond thrilled. Errands, you know what? They can wait. Got to do the kit. So here's the instruction. We can make 9 cards, 3 different styles. And the instructions, of course, in color, and have the measuring tape down the side. On the back, we can see all the things we need for each project. And it does coordinate with the Spring is in the Air dies, the add-on set, which we've got. And the coordinating colors are Basic Beige, Bubble Bath, Lemon Lime Twist, Lost Lagoon, Old Olive, Petunia Pop, and Bronze. This kit also coordinates with the Grow with Love stamp set and dies. So we'll be incorporating those in as well. So we've got a Petunia Pop stamp and spot. And then we've got our stamp set, Sending Love to a Wonderful Friend, Hello Spring, Thanks for Helping Me Grow, Chives, Happy Easter, and then we've got these little scatter dots and a little one that says For You. So what's really interesting about the little For You, and then we've got the little flowers, is in the Grow with Love dies, we have got this little circle die, and that circle die will cut out that. And you can also use your Stylish Shapes circles if you've got them to cut those out. So fabulous, fabulous. So the rest of the kit, we've got some Terran tape, we've got some Basic Beige maybe, or probably Basic Beige linen thread. Look at these envelopes. How's this for just a little bit of interest and a little bit of twist? They are side-loading envelopes, and look at the decoration on the inside is the whole inside of the envelope. So we might be using those as well. And look at that massive sheet of dimensionals. And we've got card bases. Again, I love how they do front and back. So you can really double the value if you choose to extend your cards. And then we've got our die cuts, sorry. And then we've got more of our card bases. Again, some more die cuts. And then we've got these really, how beautiful are those? And we're going to see if we can recreate some of these looks using the baby wipe technique and the stamp set for sure. And here's our last set of die cuts with this beautiful kind of striped banner, and then these die cuts. Sorry, I keep saying dies instead of die cuts. I am just so excited. So this is our Hello Spring February 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for the projects and one alternate today, and then one alternate every day this week.